Hello YouTube family. I was going to share a little grocery haul with you today. We went shopping for Grammy school, which starts here in a few days. And I thought I'd share my haul with you. So if you like that type of thing, think about hitting the subscribe button, click the like button, and share this video. Thank you for joining me. Okay, I'll start with our Grammy school items first. I got us some cheese pizzas. I fix these in the air fryer. You can cut them like in thirds and it goes a long way. She don't eat a whole one, of course. We got some of these string cheese. That makes a really good snack or part of her lunch. Some French fries. She likes those with ketchup. Some yogurt. She likes those. She likes to do like a little charcuterie. So we've got some crackers like Ritz and club crackers. Some beef sticks, like I said, the cheese. Then we've got the fruit. We've got apples. We've got some bananas. We've got strawberries and grapes. I also got some little caramel single dips for her apple slices. She likes the celery and baby carrots, and we'll serve that with ranch dressing. She loves that. Also, these are really good for her, is the Fiber One brownie bites. And she likes those as a snack, and it helps to keep her regular, which is real good. And this is her guilty pleasure, is chocolate pudding. So she don't get that every day. Maybe when Papa's here, but not with Grammy. Got her some vanilla ones. Got her some of these little potato sticks. She likes those. Some applesauce cups. Also some Pop-Tarts. She likes those. And then some veggie sticks. She likes those as well. Now, the stuff that I got, she loves bacon for breakfast. So, usually we do bacon and toast or a Pop-Tart or oatmeal or boiled egg for breakfast. I got some Reynolds Wrap, buttermilk, because I love cornbread and buttermilk as a snack. Some sweet milk or reduced fat milk, hazelnut creamer, some vegetable oil, 18 eggs. I got some pinto and white northern beans to cook together maybe this week. It's according to how busy I am. I'm going to do a video on my tuna salad. I had someone to message me and wanted to see that, so I'll be sharing that in a little video soon. These make really quick and easy lunches for me. I got the cake and the cream cheese to share in a recipe. I needed some more sugar. And I think that's all for our grocery haul. So that's a pretty good lot. And I'll have to look for the ticket. I like to tell you all how much it was. My husband finished checking out and I don't know what it was. And I asked him and he said, I don't remember. So I'll try to link it up above when I get that. Okay, let me show you now my little Walmart haul. Okay, now I'm going to show you my little Grammy school haul for my grandbaby that's just 3 months old. What I've got for here is a case of Pampers 2 diapers, 3 gallons of nursery water to mix with her formula, and her mom will provide that, a drying rack for her bottles and nipples, and a bottle brush, nipple cleaner. And then we've got a little set of bottles that she uses. And then we've got a formula dispenser so I can put 3 servings in that, which she eats every 3 to 4 hours, so that should be a day's worth. So that makes my day a little bit easier. I don't have to worry about, they don't have to bring a diaper bag. And I will be doing a Grammy school classroom / playroom update to show you all the things I've got in there to take care of them and keep them entertained. This is my 4th year with Amelia and my 1st year with Aubrey. Amelia is 3.5. And I started keeping her when she was 5 months old, and Aubrey will be 3 months old. So I'm really excited, and I hope you'll come along with me. I will be sharing some things on my YouTube channel, not everything though. So if you like this type of content, give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing. You have a great day and God bless you. Bye.